everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm Bipasha Bose. Today's video is a special video. I'll be talking about an app. Are you looking for a platform to learn spoken English but you don't have enough money to buy the subscriptions of amazing apps like Cambly, which is considered to be the best app for practicing spoken English? Do not worry at all. I have come with an alternative solution to this problem, and today I'll be talking about an app which is S-Fluency, and it is absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. And also it might not be available to you in the free version in the future, but then if you start today itself or tomorrow, you can enjoy the free version of it too. I'll leave the link to this app in my description below, so please go and check it out. So coming back to the app, its name is S-Fluency. As the name suggests, after using this app for at least 1 week, you will be able to speak English fluently. This is true for me, and today I'm able to speak English just because I used this app and I found it very useful. I found this app on a Google search. Later I found it out on YouTuber's channel. Her name is Alina Rice. You can also check her out. I checked the reviews on this app and I found it quite honest. That's why I downloaded it and started using it the next day itself. Then onwards I started feeling the importance of this app. I wish I had known this earlier. So it's still not too late. If you are having free time, like even if you have 25 minutes of your daily time, you can still use this app. It's good. It's the best app, I can say. The first advantage is that it's absolutely free, and then you can use this app whenever you feel like using it. You can use this app as per your comfort zone. You just have to type S-Fluency in your Google Play Store, then you will be able to find it out, and please go through the reviews and everything, and you'll be able to download it later. Then start using it whenever you feel like using it. And I have seen a lot of changes within me in 2 to 3 days only. I just learned how to speak well. It not just helped me to make my English better, but also helped me improve my communication skill, like how to speak to people, how to communicate with others, how to ask questions, and how to answer confidently. I have gained a lot of confidence because I have used this app, and I'm still using this app. I just downloaded it 1 month ago and I'm still using it. So it looks something like this. Let's talk about the features of this app. You have got two kind of subscription. First one is free, that is for all the users. I suggest you to use the free version only, and if you like it, then you can also take the subscription of this app. Go through the app and you can find many things. There are a lot of important things. And the best part of this app is that you don't have to worry about your privacy. It is secured, okay? So don't worry at all. So this is the app. I'm gonna open it now. So the interface is something like this. I'm not using the updated version. If you use the updated one, then you will find some changes in your phone. So you can buy plans, you can book a trial class, but if you use the free version, then just you have to click on this icon, call and practice now. And once you click this, you'll find this kind of thing, and I can't talk now, so I am not picking up the call. So I just disconnected it. After calling, you can see this. You can submit your reviews. I don't want to call now, that's why I just stop. If you want to go for the free version, then you can go for this one, call and practice now. Whenever you feel like using it, then just have a look at the other features too. Earlier This option was also free. Like if you want to practice with a female, it was also free, but then now it's not free. And if you click on this one, you are asked to select plan, and once we tap on this one, you have to pay, and it's not very much. If you take the membership of 7 days, then you can get 24 hours talk time whenever you want to talk. You can talk for unlimited time. And once you open this app, you will be able to see everything. There are three kind of plans: silver plan, gold plan, and communication mastery plan. I will suggest you to use the free version first, and if you like, then you can go for the other plans too. You have daily doses, learn slangs, idioms, fun with phrasal verb, learn English vocabulary. Now learning resources. You've got many things. You can just download it and then check it out. So we have grammar classes. Then you can also check out the plans here. And if you want to refer this app to someone, then you can just go to this one. I don't have much idea about this. And your privacy is completely secured. You don't have to worry about that. Today I didn't talk to anyone, so it's written 0 minutes. It does not disturb you. Actually, after using this app 1 to 3 days, you will have an idea of how actually the whole thing is about. So that was all about the app and how it looks like. I suggest you to download it and then check it out. Actually, the problem is that we are not surrounded by people who speak English, and if you try to speak English in front of your friends, they just make fun of you, telling you that you are showing off your knowledge and etc. etc. So this can be the best app for you if you really want to learn English. Not just learn. I'm not talking about the theoretical part. I'm talking about the practical part. Now, you can also speak English this way. If you can even be better than me. So let's not waste any of your time and tell you more about the app. Once you call someone, then you will be able to talk to that person for 25 minutes. If you're not comfortable talking to that person, you can disconnect the call and then you can call to another person again. For your information, you do not know who the person is. You will not be able to contact to that person again. Once you call someone, till the time you are calling, you will know each other, but after cutting the call, you will not be able to find him or her out anywhere unless he has shared his social media accounts to you, or he or she cannot find you out. There's nothing to worry about whether that person will disturb you in the future. There's nothing like that. It's really helpful, and all the people who come to use this app are genuine. They have come to this platform because they want to improve themselves, and people from all over the world have downloaded it and use this app. I have talked to many persons. Some of them were from South India, some of them were from Canada, some were from Sri Lanka, some were from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and many more places. So you don't have to worry about anything. I have talked to both males and females. If I want to disconnect the call of a person, then I have the freedom to do so. And if you find someone like who is harassing you types, then you can disconnect and report that person. There's nothing like he will disturb you again. So actually, when I downloaded it and I wanted to start, I didn't know what to do. I just randomly clicked that call button, and I had to wait for 5 to 10 seconds and no one was speaking, so I just cut the call. First thing you need to keep in mind that you need to wait for at least 15 seconds because you are connecting to someone. What actually happens is you just have to click the call button and you will be connected to that person only who is calling at the same time. Like if you are online now and the other person is online now, then both of you are able to connect to each other. That's the simplest logic over here. My first experience was wonderful. That is why I am using this app consistently. Actually, when I first downloaded this app, I didn't have the courage to call to anyone because I didn't have the courage to speak to a stranger. I didn't know what to ask, what to tell, how will this happen. I just started doing it the next day. I thought that it wouldn't be helpful, but after waiting for some time, someone picked my call. I didn't know who he was. He was asking me about my name, what did I do, who am I, where do I belong from. He was asking me various questions. So first I thought that he was a tutor, like in Cambly app you have a tutor with you. This is not that kind of app which provides you with tutors. You will find co-learners here because you and the other person both are learning at the same time. So both are co-learners. So that person just started asking me various things and he was very humble. His name was Paras. He was from South India. The wonderful guy. I have never talked to such a good human being earlier. And if you are watching this, Paras, please be the same always. Don't change yourself for anyone. And I wish you all the best for your future. He's a very good guy. And as everyone say that your first impression is the last impression. He gave me the reason to be consistent on this app. I hope you will be able to find great person. You will learn many things from them. They will motivate you for your future. They will help you learn many things. You can ask your doubts to that person. There is no particular age group for this app. I have talked to very older person than me and I have talked to younger person than me. They were all awesome. I had one bad experience though, but it was not that bad. I just disconnected the call and that's it. One thing I wanted to do was to find out Paras again because he was such a great guy, but I couldn't find him anywhere. Like I said earlier, that you cannot find the person again. So I didn't get the chance to find Paras again. That's a disadvantage of this app, but overall this app is the best. You can go for it just now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please do hit like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon over there so that you are the first one to watch my video. So thank you, take care, bye bye, have a great day.